This is Apps for Academics and we're looking at Red Hawk. This is the final tutorial, and what I'd like to talk to you about is the other features in the menu. So I've got my class list here, which is what should come up when you come through. If I press my student list, it comes up with a universal student list of all of the kids in my classes, alphabetical order. And I'm not going to show you that because it has my students in it and I don't want you to see them all. But it means that I can see an entire student list and I'm able to edit from that list as well, which is really nice to see all my kids. If I go to criteria, it goes through and I can add this second layer of attendance criteria which shows up on the attendance. So I can add things here. So I might have here a doctor note. And put doctor here, and then I can choose an icon for that. Let's just have this medical here. So now I can use that as part of my attendance keeping. If the kids have a doctor's note, I can keep a record of their illnesses or injuries. If I come to export and backup, I can connect my Dropbox and sign in, and then I'm able to save all of my data to Dropbox, which means I could share my information on my other devices, and also it saves it so that if I've done a lot of work in recording, I now have somewhere that I can save this, so if something happens to my iPad I can re-download Red Hawk and start from where I was. I can also export my students into a CSV file and keep that data and share that data with the school if I need to, or other colleagues who have the same classes. In the settings, I have a password option, which I recommend if you're using students' information and parent information, and you can turn that on or off. There is help text to help you get going here. There's also contact and about us information, and if you have a crash or the app isn't working for you, you should be able to send me a crash log and we can monitor what's happened. And that's Red Hawk. We hope that you enjoy using it. As always, we love to get your feedback, and you can find us at www.appsforacademics.net. Thank you very much.